drawing something super exciting. 3 friends from your school pencil case. A pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker. Let's start by drawing a tall rectangle in the middle of our paper. Now, let's add a triangle at the bottom for the tip of our pencil. And at the top, let's draw a rounded shape for the eraser holder. To make our pencil even more special, let's draw a heart shape on the top area. Perfect! Now, let's give our pencil some personality by adding 2 cute eyes and a happy smile. Next, let's draw the eraser. Start by drawing a smaller rectangle right next to the pencil. Then, add a rounded edge to one side to make it look realistic. Now, let's give our eraser some personality too. Add 2 cute eyes and a big smile. Look at that, it's already looking so friendly.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, let's draw the sharpener. Start with a rectangle, but make the sides wavy. This will give it that cool sharpener shape. Great work, everyone! Now, let's add some details, like the blade in the middle. Look at that! Our sharpener is ready to join the fun!
Da da dee.
Now, let's make all our drawings pop. Trace over all the lines with your black marker to make them bold and sharp. Take your time. It looks so much better, doesn't it?
Yay!
Time to bring our pencil, eraser, and sharpener to life with colors. We're going to use rainbow colors today. I'll call out the colors as we go. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, it looks amazing! Fantastic job, everyone! Look at our colorful pencil, eraser, and sharpener. They're all ready for school. You did such an amazing job. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.